I come from a place in East Africa, Oromiyaa. They call it Ethiopia. Make it seem like utopia, but nothing perfect in this world. Look close enough. Greed and lust, poor suffering for those corrupt. Everybody knows what's up, but acting dumb. Claim we tryna separate all the country's sons, but if my brother don't love me, then I don't have one. Words come quick like a bird dumb shit, so I'm tired of trying to gain your respect. I got no interest in your commitments. A revolutionary ain't scared to take risks, so I sit, stand up and raise my fist. If this is it, I gotta thank God for the gift. So much that I got in my plate, they try and break us, but O's up is gon' last for ages. The message is beyond the pages. Diga Kenya, skinny Kenya, Oromiyaa, isati begna topia, Oromiyaa biyunda jaltu, topia jechu manwamtu. Ethiopian, nuvola Kenya, vola damale. Why biya Kenya, Topia jechun, Tigray Gondari, Anur Oromiyaa, miti shak. Hallelu, Hallelika jarati sudademu. Hallelu, Hallelika jarati sudademu. Malaka bubunda. Hallelu, akal mangumbura. Hallelu, ishojole Kenya. Hallelu, lamazanum Kenya. Hallelu, shanayana Kenya. Hallelu, kabama na keti. Hallelu, ina jerin kabi. Hallelu, jabana maketi.